Hello, and welcome to Moraine Park Technical College, accepting your financial aid award on myMPTC. When you have received the email indicating that your financial aid award is available to receive and accept, log on to your myMPTC student. Click on My Finances, then go to Financial Aid, and then click on Financial Aid Awards. You will want to select the appropriate aid year. For the purposes of this video, I am choosing the 2021-2022 academic year. Click on the Submit button. A new screen opens up and you will see that there are 6 tabs across the top of the screen. You should move through each one in order to view all parts of your financial aid award. The General Information tab will provide any basic information and instructions on your financial aid award. There are also additional links along the bottom of this screen. These links provide information on your current status in making satisfactory academic progress, your loan and award history, general information on first possible disbursement dates for each term. This information is available for your review at any time. Check back here periodically for new information posted. These are great tools to use to keep yourself informed. On the Award Overview tab, you will see an overview of the cost of attendance, expected enrollment, and your financial aid award. You are also able to print a copy of your award letter here for your records. Need calculation shows you your calculated cost of attendance and estimated family contribution, or EFC, from your FAFSA. Financial aid is awarded on the basis of need, which is the difference between your cost of attendance, or COA, and your EFC, your estimated family contribution. The student and/or parent contribution represents the amount that you and your parents, if you are considered a dependent, are expected to contribute toward your educational expenses during the 9 months of attendance or the academic year. This figure is calculated using the information submitted on your FAFSA. Factors considered in determining student-parent contribution are income, net assets, family size, age, and the number of family members in college, excluding parents. The FAFSA for the upcoming academic year must be completed each year after October 1st. The cost of attendance is an estimate of the cost for a student to attend Moraine Park. The COA includes tuition and fees, books and supplies, room and board, transportation, and loan fees. Less than half-time students' expense budget includes tuition, books, and transportation only. Not all costs have to be paid up front. Some expenses, such as transportation, are spread out over the year and can be met by a student working part-time during the year. Some expenses, such as room and board, may be covered by parents and will not represent an out-of-pocket cost for you. The student's expected enrollment is also displayed. This is what you reported on your supplemental form. Please review this enrollment information. If this is incorrect, please contact the Student Services Center for a revision based on your accurate enrollment status. At the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see a summary of your offered financial aid award. Here your award is separated into the fall and spring semesters and the total amount for the year. Continue through the tabs on top of the page in order to agree to the terms and conditions and accept or decline the loans. Next, click on the Resources and Additional Information tab. If you are receiving other funding from an outside agency or any scholarships not already listed, you should enter this information on the Resources Additional Information tab. Remember, if you do add information, to click the Submit Information button on the bottom. On the fourth tab, labeled Terms and Conditions, you will need to read the terms and conditions and the award guide. This is a link that will take you to the most updated financial aid award guide. You must click on the link to read the financial aid award guide. These documents will answer most of your questions about the different types of financial aid you have been offered. Once you have read this information, you will accept before you can move on to the Accept Award Offer tab. Once you accept the terms and conditions, you will be able to view the Accept Award Offer tab. Read all of the instructions on how to accept or decline your offered financial aid loans. You may accept or decline all of the offered loan, or you may accept only part of it. If you are offered both subsidized and unsubsidized loans, make sure you accept all of the subsidized before any unsubsidized. Subsidized loans do not accrue interest while you attend school. Unsubsidized loans do. Keep in mind the loan amount you accept will be split evenly between the fall and spring if you are attending both semesters. Grants are automatically accepted on your behalf as grants do not need to be paid back. Remember to click the Submit Decision button after your choices have been entered. So in this example, I am going to decline the work study, and I am going to accept the full amount of the subsidized loan. And now I will click Submit Decision. Once I clicked on the Submit Decision button, you can see all of the award decisions you have made. The federal Pell Grant money will show that it's accepted and shows you how it's split into the 2 semesters. There may be some other grant money available, and that is also automatically accepted. And here you can see that I decided to decline the work study. And also, I accepted the subsidized loan, which shows you that it was split in half between the 2 semesters. And also, the grant money from the Wisconsin grant was also accepted and shows you how that was split. Next, review the Special Messages tab for any additional information that may be posted regarding your financial aid. However, do not be alarmed if you don't have any special messages in this section. As you can see, there are currently no special messages for you at this time. If you are a first-time loan borrower, you will need to complete entrance counseling and master promissory note to receive your loan. Please check your financial aid requirements section on the Student tab to verify if you have any requirements. If you do decide to borrow money, you will need to complete entrance counseling and a master promissory note to receive your loan. Please check your financial aid requirements on the Student tab to verify if you have these requirements outstanding. If you go under My Finances, Financial Aid, and Financial Aid Requirements, and if you click on your financial aid to-dos, you will see it there if you need to do your loan counseling and master promissory note. You can also find links to the loan entrance counseling and master promissory note by going to the main webpage, moraignepark.edu. Under Pay for College, you will see loan requirements, and you can click on the Entrance Counseling Master Promissory Note. Here you can click on the links that will take you to the login on studentaid.gov, and you can log back in to your FSA account that you did your FAFSA through. When you have registered for your courses, you can view your bill for tuition and fees under My Finances and go to Max Pay. Select the overview. You will find your charges, estimated financial aid, and any estimated financial aid refund. You can also sign up for electronic refunds here. Sign up for direct deposit refunds here. Should you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to a specialist for answers. You can call the college's main line at 1-800-472-4554 and ask for a financial aid team member. Or email us at financialaid@moraignepark.edu. When you correspond with the college, always use your student email account and include your student ID number. Policy prohibits us to share confidential information to a personal email address. This concludes the video on how to accept your financial aid award. I hope it was helpful to you. Welcome to Moraine Park Technical College and best of luck in your career endeavors.